And on the third level, we've got Avis and Budget. Let's just do a quick walkthrough here. And we got Avis Preferred section here. We got a Chrysler 300 Chevy Camaro V6 base model, Chevy Malibu. There's a Dodge Charger Hemi coming up beside me here. Got a Nissan, I got a Jeep Compass, and a Toyota. Got a Mazda 6. It's a Hyundai SUV, and there goes that Dodge Charger Hemi. Red Mustang way down at the end. We got a couple Jeep Grand Cherokees, the older model. Toyota Prius. Another Toyota. Jeep Wrangler and a Dodge Ram pickup. And we got a Toyota, looks like a RAV4, and a Hyundai. And we got some more Avis Preferred here. We got a Range Rover, VW Jetta. This looks like a personal vehicle here. Another VW. We've got a Kia, a couple Jeep Compass, and a bunch of vehicles with the wipers up down here. Probably other service. And we'll do another aisle Avis Preferred here. We got a Toyota Tacoma, Chevy Camaro hardtop, and a convertible, both V6 base models. Toyota pickup truck, Ford Mustang convertible, another Tacoma, a bunch of trucks down here. Yeah, these are all trucks on the left side here. If we go over to the right side, we got a Mustang, Ford Edge, GMC Denali, and a couple more pickup trucks. Another V6 Chevrolet Camaro base model, Chrysler 300. And we got a Camry and another 300 over here. And if we continue on with the upgrade section here, got a Toyota, Chevrolet Corvette convertible. That's a C7. Nissan pickup truck. Got Dodge Charger Hemi RT. A couple more Toyotas. Lots of Toyota Tacomas. Yeah, more trucks down there. Another Chrysler 300. Grand Cherokee. Another base Camaro Coupe. And another Jeep Wrangler. Okay, over in the upgrade selection, Avis Preferred Service Upgrade. Somebody on the channel was asking about the new Escalade. It looks like we got one here. Let's take a look inside. There we go. 700 miles on this. And this is the one, I believe, with the wraparound LCD screen that goes all the way across. It's got the full moonroof inside. And let me see if I can turn on the display here. Not sure why the dash isn't coming up here. Oh. Well, it's even got speakers in the headrest. Still has the plastic on the controls here. Very nice. Lots of room. And arriving on the second level, you find SixT, along with Dollar and Thrifty. And we've got a BMW 4 Series, Range Rover, we've got a Mercedes, BMW, a couple BMWs here. Another Mercedes. BMW looks like a 5 Series. Infiniti Q50. We got a BMW. A couple more. Actually, this whole row is BMW, except for the Chevy Blazer at the end. And there's a Dodge Charger RT Hemi. And it looks like we got 3 more BMWs here, convertible. And we got an Audi convertible, looks like an A5 S5, probably an A5 convertible. BMW Roadster, another Charger Hemi. This is okay, we're back at the ground level of the rental facility, and for the air train you go to the ground level and then you exit and you go under the air train. You can either take the elevator or I'm going to take the escalator up here. Sounds like the air train just got in. And the east platform on the left goes to long-term parking. You can see when you arrive, it drops you off at the 4th floor. And what we want is the west platform to go back to the airport. And that's it, we're arriving at Terminal 3.